This is a game changer. You can now get paid to do what you already do. Hundreds of people are already making $30 per look with this simple idea. Imagine being paid $15 to $30 every time you do a look on your phone. It's not that hard to do. All you need is a smartphone and this app, which I will show in this video. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description. I am sharing a very special and exclusive methods to make more than $1,000 each and every day. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you're looking to earn extra money with no experience needed, and you are over the age of 18 and have a smartphone with a working camera, WeGoLook may have something for you. They're an established company that's been around since 2009. They're always seeking lookers. WeGoLook is an app that helps businesses and individuals gather and validate information anytime, anywhere. As a looker, you'll play a critical role in this process by completing tasks, called looks, requested by customers around the world. The process couldn't be simpler. You can simply go to wegolook.com or download WeGoLook app from Google Play or App Store. Then sign up and you'll be on your way to performing looks and earning extra income. You will use your phone and the app to complete looks easy tasks. For example, they will pay you to take photos of a car listed on eBay to help an out-of-state buyer verify the current condition. Most looks pay between $15 to $30 and typically take between 15 to 30 minutes, which makes the pay per look seems reasonable. Even better, you can accept or deny looks based on your schedule. With WeGoLook, you choose when and where you want to work. Accept only the jobs you want. It's that easy. Pay is remitted within 30 days of completing a look. Once you get some experience, you may also be invited to become a pro looker. This gives you priority when looks become available in your area. You'll also be paid twice weekly, rather than once, for completed looks. Your chance of getting work through this app varies by the number of clients WeGoLook has near your location. WeGoLook is available in the USA and also in other locations such as Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. In the end, if you are looking for earning big money, make sure to check the links in the description below to start making more than $1,000 each and every day, and also other methods to make some money instantly. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.